What's up, everybody? My name is Jesse Alfredo, and welcome to my first ever breakdown video, forex breakdown video. I should have broken this trade down, but since it happened yesterday, I'll just continue with what happened today. This, I have no shame in it. I saw this as a high probability time frame. It's a high probability trade. This is something I'll actually do a million times, bro. I'm so confident in this setup that I personally, Jesse Alfredo, would risk my whole life savings on this. But let's just focus on what we have today. You lose some, you make some, if you get my point. Okay, so in this trade setup, what I did first was actually mark out the Asia low, the Asia session low, and the Asia session high. By marking that, I actually draw my liquidity both buy side and sell side by marking those as my liquidity spots. So I actually expect the market to sweep either side. Either side it sweeps is actually where I'm gonna try to get a reversal to go to the opposite side. In this case, I actually got the market actually swept my sell side liquidity. Not only it's stop, take out this liquidity, take out all these highs right here, all these highs here, and all these highs below below each and every low here. There's liquidity resting below each low here. So since the liquidity is resting below each low here, and also this one, my significant low here, it had an energetic displacement to the downside to totally destroy or take out sell stops. And that's what I was looking for. I wasn't gonna look for a wick or a wick to take out liquidity. That's not energetic, and I wouldn't really wanna be convinced to take a reversal from there, And then after having an energetic displacement lower, price actually started showing willingness to go higher. Now since I was showing willingness to go higher, I was looking for an entry signal. And on the 15-minute, it was not giving me any clear signal. So now that's why we go to the 5-minute time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame right here, on the 5-minute time frame here, as you can see, the bullish candles are super energetic, literally energetic. They are showing willingness to go higher. Especially this one was literally a bearish candle showing this week. Then had the energetic push high. You can tell that this candle's body is very high, meaning it's very big or long, may I say. So they're showing actually willingness to go higher because it's energetic, or can I say impulsive move higher. After it created actually a significant low here, because a significant short-term high that's literally visible, this being the middle, that on the left and that on the right. Price action started having an impulsive move higher as well. Just like these three candles, impulsive move high. So after seeing those candles go high, the first two candles go high impulsively, it made me realize that okay, this market actually really wants to go higher. You see, so I was actually expecting to get my setup within here, but you can see that none of it was going to show me a fair value gap, none of it was going to give me a breaker block, none of it was going to give me an order block. So I wasn't going to force an entry on this time frame. I'd rather go on a lower time frame to see if I was going to get an entry point that I was confident that I will. So I went on the 1-minute time frame. I went on the 1-minute time frame. Yes sir, right here. As you can clearly see, I could have entered from here and then have a great risk to reward ratio, but don't forget, this was the candle that had an impulsive move higher, giving me the sign it was gonna go higher. You see, then after having, like, remember the significant low I was talking about? Now this is a significant, the significant high I was talking about. This is a significant high. This significant high, right? Let me just get it too quickly. Okay, that's not important, but like, you can tell about the low I'm talking about. Needle candle that's having high, low, low, significant low, you know. Then those other three candles are right here that are in impulsive move higher. You see? So what else did I see that actually gave me a confirmation that this is going high apart from this impulsive move here? Don't get me wrong, I could have entered in this fair value gap, or I could have entered from this order block, breaker block right here, but I chose not to because I usually like entering on the 5 minute, but if the 5 minute is not giving me a setup, I prefer to go on the 4 minute, on the 1 minute. So that's what I did. What do I see? I see a very beautiful and undeniable thing to see here, because you can see this beautiful short-term high, displaced by a beautiful bullish candle. Now these three consecutive candles formed a very beautiful visible fair value gap, or this breaker block. These candles right here, supposedly form a breaker block. Not supposedly, they actually do create a breaker block, but I don't. If I have a breaker block such as that, I'll never wanna enter at the beginning of it. I would love to see where the fair value gap in the breaker block rectangle is crossing. Where it's crossing is where I'll most likely wanna put my my long position there. As you can see, it's somewhere here. It's like somewhere there, you see. And then, glory to God, like my potential price, my potential buy limit could have been filled there. After being filled there, obviously I was heading into session. After being filled, I was heading into session, like into the London session, bro. After price action filling me and started going into my favor, bro, from there in the London session it was all just smooth. Started going up, pushing higher. A little, I'm lying, it's not little, a pullback that really wouldn't significantly affect your emotions, and then like a slight push higher, and then you start seeing this push lower. After seeing like a candle displaced like this, and then it pulls back, forming a wick like this. Obviously, this is just trying to tell you that there is some buying power happening right here. After seeing this candle here, what you see? You see a crazy significant displacement to the upside. Personally, after seeing a candle push like this, bro, I know I'm sorted. I'll actually take my eyes off the market, And honestly, everything played out well. It really wouldn't always play out like that, because it really wouldn't play out like that because price action, the market doesn't listen to anybody at all. Like, it really doesn't listen to nobody. It doesn't care about you, doesn't care about your financial situations. It doesn't care about nothing. That's why as a trader, we should just be here to capitalize where we can. We're not stealing, but we're taking money from the markets. So we gotta build good habits. Personally, if this trade, this beautiful setup was, let me not lie, I'm actually 1 year and 7 months into my career right now, into my trading career right now. Obviously, I'll be prone to be attached to the money, but I tend to realize that's not the goal. If price action was gonna stop me out after seeing a beautiful setup like this, I personally wouldn't be angry, because that's just the market doing its thing. That's just the market doing its thing, and I I have nothing against the market. I'm trying to capitalize it so I can be able to take care of myself and my family. So I know I would have literally be able to. I personally would wanna risk $1 million on that trade, because I know it works every single time. It happens every single time. It always happens under my face. So yeah, man. At least I'm glad everything went in my favor. The forward testing went well, and it hit my TP of 1 to 3. You might be wondering, oh bro, I mean, it was actually a great study, but why is your stop loss so big? Bro, let me just keep it real with you, bro. I'd rather have a huge stop loss, have price action come into drawdown, and not worry about it coming for significant loss so it will stop me out, then have a tight stop loss, price action pull against you just a little bit, and then you start feeling like, oh yo bro, I have to move my stop loss, bro. At least if my stop loss is there, I know price action is just going to do its thing. Obviously it's about to be drawdown like normal, every trader goes through it. It's about to go through drawdown, but after going through such drawdown, obviously the best thing to do is just zoom out. Don't watch the market. Let the trade, just put an alert there, you know. Let the alert hit you like, oh, stop loss hit, you know, or just give it some time. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you didn't, you always know where to go to. You know the comment section. Put your questions. I'll be really glad to hear what you guys have to say. I would love to hear your opinions, and rather than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day or evening, wherever you're in the world. I'm yapping too much. Thank you for watching very much. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you for checking out my channel, and yeah, I love y'all. Peace.